Hi, Jaron. It is Allie here. So I have a new project for you. Yay. What I'm going to have you do tonight is go to Programs and under Enrollment, choose Ready for Life, search. It'll take a second. And you will see that down below that there is 299 entries. I don't know how hard you worked last night, but I know that I did not enroll 299 individuals into the program. So we have some cleaning up to do based on past people's work. So I think what happened were people were enrolling people into the Ready for Life program since we did training, and a lot of them are not active anymore. So they haven't gone through the right procedures. They did not go through an assessment, and so we have to clean up after some messes. So what we're going to do is, it's only showing 25 right now. We're going to show all. And it's going to take a second. And then literally what I need you to do, unfortunately, is go one by one. Charlie Washington we know is a staff member, but right click, open a new tab. You can see most likely people created test people without actually it being a test. So there's nothing here, there's status list, current. It's only Ready for Life. There's no case logs, all served today. It was all by test advocate. We know that this person is not real. So if you would, just go to the info tab and change the last name to test, and then I can delete it later. So hit save, and yeah, and then you're done with that one. You can move on. Because the test ones I will delete. So that's Charlie. Next one is Rochelle Banks. You can see I already changed it to a test. James Foster, again, you're going to see a lot of these. Check account, not scanned into anything. Case log, nothing. Alerts, nothing. Statuses, check, only Ready for Life. Info, change the last name to Foster, or to test. From Foster to test. Hit save. X out. Go to the next one. Zani, same thing. So we're going to move on down. I'm going to try to find one that might be different. So I know that these guys are all test people. Now you're going to get into real people. So the ones with the alerts most likely are good to go, but let's check them. So you see Charles Ross. He is a staff member, but is this his fake one or his real one? So we got to check into that. Todd, let's check into Todd's. And on the 15th, anything prior to the 26th needs to be checked. So Ready for Life in, because also I'm noticing people were enrolled incorrectly. So he does have an open alert here. Check his status list. He was done correctly. Check his sub-programs. And this is where you'll see, was he done correctly? And all of these sub-programs are correct. So they're all under Ready for Life, so that's good. Check his account. He's got his front load. So this guy is the real deal. So we can just leave them alone. Go on down. I'm more so concerned with those without alerts. So open up this guy. We'll see here under alerts he has one for the 12th. But we did not start real orientation then, so we know that this was done incorrectly. So you'll look, nothing on the front load. On the statuses, it was done on the 15th, which was way too soon. This person should not have been enrolled at this time. So what we can do is check the subprograms, and you'll see he was not enrolled correctly. He's not enrolled into anything dealing with Ready for Life. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the umbrella, and it's going to be as simple as this. X, delete. Because this person actually, the only thing that they were enrolled into was the umbrella, not the subprograms. So you can just delete it and move on to the next person. If you hit the refresh, it's just going to connect. They're not even going to have a status, and that's totally fine. If Elizabeth decides to come back, we'll just add the umbrella, and then Ready for Life will be there. But for now, bye-bye, Elizabeth. Next person. So we're just going to move down, again, those without the alert on them. Go to the next one, open it up. No alerts. Under statuses, It's there under subprograms. Same thing. Enrolled incorrectly. So we're going to go to the umbrella. And we are just going to delete it. And if you feel weird about deleting that, just check the attendances. They haven't been here since the 22nd. So anyone who has not been here prior to the 27th or 26th can be unenrolled from it. But since this person wasn't even enrolled correctly, we can just delete it. Hit delete. All done. Next person. So I'll do one more. So let's say Mary Montgomery, everyone with, again, let me reiterate. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go over it one more time. Click on Programs. Enrollment screen pops up. Choose Ready for Life. None of the basic down here, just the Ready for Life program. Search. And you're going to check on those who are not green. So everyone who is not. So we're going to choose all. We're going to choose all. And see how the number's going down because we're unenrolling people from the program. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, but you're going to go one person by one person. See, Grumpy Cat is in my test person, so change the last name to test. Joel, I'm pretty sure that's his. If it's staff, that's their actual profile, so you can leave that alone, the staff ones. Staff, staff, staff. Let's choose this one. Jessica. Ready for Life. No alerts. Check on the subprograms. If it doesn't pop up automatically, they were enrolled incorrectly. So what we're going to do, and you can scroll down a little bit more if you want, but it was the most recent, so we're just going to X out here. Click out. Hit refresh. All done. Next one. So, say we run into someone, I'm trying to find someone, if someone, for some reason, was enrolled, so this is all today, the 27th and 26th, these are all good. So we're really only dealing with this section up here. So again, one by one, anything prior to the 25th, go through. And right click, Jessica. I think I just did hers. I did. Here we go. Alright, anyone prior, so 25th and on, we're going to check and see if they were enrolled correctly. Everyone else should have an alert. If they don't have an alert, let's scroll down here. Pretty much everyone is good. Okay, Alan Blair does not have an alert, so we can open him up. And this is for someone who does not have an alert. But he's in group and Ready for Life, so he is all good. He's in Wednesdays and group, so he doesn't need an alert because he has completed his assessment on the 27th and he completed orientation on the 22nd. So he is all good. So, yeah, so let me know if this is all making sense or if you need extra assistance tonight. But again, I think you can knock this out probably in less than an hour. So enrollment, here's your list, show all. And oh, I forgot to tell you, you can click on this button and it will sort it based on date. And do everyone prior to March 26th. So the 25th and on, check to make sure that they are enrolled correctly. Okay, one last possibility that I will show you is someone like Bria, who is enrolled into Ready for Life. But if I click on the subprograms, I'm checking to see if she was enrolled into all of these, and if she had a front load, which she did, so she's good. But if, let's say for instance, she stayed with us last night but did not, who was enrolled incorrectly, an easy thing to do is to just add. So we just add the subprograms for Ready for Life, update status, and go through that way. But I don't think you'll need to do that. So thank you, Jerron. Knock it out, boy. All right, I'll talk to you later.